well. Oh. Oh. Okay. Kaya ako bigyan yung mga potato. And I can what the add. There you go. That's fine. And ako making the TikTok video. That video. That video. That video is from TikTok. You remember that this is Tuesday. Today is you gonna know. I got no tea. And I got the bread. Not much. Here we go. One. What? Take so long. Like my mushroom and all my plants. Yeah. And then you could know that Jerry does the video. And that ako work so hard at that zombie. And that potato. And that meat. And then kain ng zombies. And that niyapak zombies. And ako apak this ikaw subscribe. Dislike button. Ow! Is our search name. That's a cave plant.
With just a finger coat power and mattress. Word at home, let's cook with Oreo. Ano kaya lulutuin ni Lola? Leche plan? Biko?
Now is
Simple with Oreo.
King plant. That corn. Fire. Star. Squash. Broccoli. Mushroom. You know. Watermelon. Ice watermelon. Baby potato. Yo plant. The girl plant.
Magaling magpaputi, magtanggal kulo, at magpabango. 550 pa rin, pero kayang tumapat sa mamahalin. Basta wais, kayang makipagsabayan. Sir,
That's a fire plant. That's the mushroom. And that's the plant. That's the star plant.
Love 3 times. Dahil 3 days to go lang. Mapapanood ka. Mom,
That's a daddy potato. Tapos, sunflower.
Sabi ni Doc, ang health ng buong katawan, nagsisimula sa tiyan. So I choose Nesta Grow. Para kompletong nutrition. May
Right, the ice.
immunity.
Ice what?
Ang babae ang unang nag-aalaga pag nagka-iron deficiency. Ang magkasakit, mag-Hemorrhage FA. May right levels ng iron, folic acid, at B-complex. Helps improve blood health para malayo sa sakit. Hemorrhage FA.
Yung linap yan.
Nagbago man ang mundo, isang special na Eden handa lang ang kailangan para pasarapin ulit ang samahan sa habag.
You lose.
Ito ang mga moments na talaga namang isarap
They're
ng
so
mundo.
bad.
Baby shark.
Patay. Oh! Patay. Ha! I have a fish and my tank and a shark and a baby shark. I have my dog, Tom. It's going nighttime. Oh, jeez. I hate nighttime. Come on. Take this slot.
Three films made their way.
Oh, no. The wrong. Wrong. Wrong.
One exclusive pass. This is Black Pack.
Mali. What?
Starting April 23 on KTX.ph
Okay.
and Anwar TFC. Visit solo.to/buypack now.
It's going nighttime. It's going. And ako.
Create sweet surprises effortless.
No. Down.
Binigyan ko siya sa yakap ng more sinigang with Gabi. Nanunuot ang sarap ng deal sa ano. May lapot sa ng Gabi.
Coconut hydration. It hydrates your hair so your hair feels natural. Sunsilk Naturals Coconut Hydration. Nagkukugigil.
Then I have a dog Dean. It is called Panda.
Buhay!
Panda is panda.
Kilalang the best ang danggit na galing dito sa Cebu.
Ah.
Alam niyo ba, Ma'am
Be.
Shiz, na pwede pa natin itong i-level up?
Mag-chill it is.
Yan ang ituturo sa akin ngayon. Ito, Ma'am Shiz.
How's my number?
Sa atin yan ni Chef ay ang sarsa.
How years old I am? How old I am? 6. I'm 6.
Cebu na kilala sila ay sa
Ikaw sa private ang galing ako.
Check ano mga
Ay, ikaw afraid of over there. How?
garlic,
Now.
white onions, mayo,
Oh, no. It's wrong. Tigil tayo. Tigil tayo. Let's see everything. It's color black. The color like wipe it down. There we go.
Siyempre yung una ay yung mantika. Pero ating ginagamit ngayon ng mantika ay olive oil. Okay. So, lagay muna natin. Para healthy. Bisaya ako sa chef, no? Oo, bisaya. Bisaya ang luwa. Yes. Bisaya ang tagpanan. Oo. Pati si Bisaya. Yes. Bisaya.
Oy, bali.
Yes.
Here we go.
So, ilagay natin yung garlic. Ayan. So,
And that's
it's okay.
so
Wait natin
easy.
yung garlic na misiki habang nagluluto ang ating
Ang
chef.
easy. Ana,
Okay, I'm already 35.
is there everything that's circle?
May mga anak ka na?
It's Minecraft. It's that's circle. It's
Ano ang nangyari dito sa ating
now I have milk. My tummy.
pinalapot natin yung balikan na natin siya ang
Why not making?
bawang ay yan white onion tapos
Okay, I'm making the gold
tapos yung
iron
at saka
and then
lagyan natin ng vinegar
and
ating mga mamsi ngayon
na my guys. And we making duplat.
slide ko
Excuse me. And ako na the beach shake. And you
wait lang dahil meron pang isang dish na ituturo sa atin si
kids, ikaw don't punta the bullies.
ingredients naman
It's
ay ang
no.
pinagmamalaki nilang
Ikaw punta bullies. You bully you. Ikaw punta use classmate. Classmate is this. Hindi. Scary is a friend.
Dried mango, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, tomato sauce, chorizo de Cebu, and dough. So, first po,
Yeah. This looks pretty good, guys.
kailangan mag-sprinkle ng parang pabuhangin na yung ginagawa. Para hindi po siya dumikit dito sa paper. Wala pang secret na nilagay niya dyan. This is fresh tomato po na ginamit namin. Teka lang, parang may napansin ako. Parang gusto mo naman niya agad. Nagagamit ako sabay mamaya ang tikiman.
Gusto ko lang makita lagi yung paggawa ng pizza kasi never ko yan nasubukan pa maggawa-gawa ng pizza eh. Alam mo ang magpapasarap dyan? Kasi sa kanila lang meron itong chorizo na to. So sa kanila lang hanapin yan, diba?
Dito rin ako nakatikim ng chorizo sa Cebu, yung bilog na chorizo tapos maanghang.
Ay! Bakit mo dalikwan na ingredients yan? Tapos na, yan na, naglagay na siya.
Pero,
Eto,
so after ng ganito po, ilalagay na po dito sa oven for about 10 to 12 minutes po. So kailangan may about talaga. Tapos, wala ba about tutuloy tayo? So, anong temperature siya?
at 250 degrees po. Mga ilang minutes pag gano'n?
10 minutes.
10 minutes lang.
Tapos tatanggalin na.
Kasi yung natin natin.
Sikiman tayo na kasi ready na ang ating mga food.
Oo. Ito na yung dried mango pizza with chorizo de Cebu.
Sarsadong danggit.
Okay.
So, it's time to... It's
It's
time to
the
follow time.
Ito na yung sarsadong danggit. Sarap ng danggit.
Hindi ba ito maalap?
There we go. Is the
Fairness ha, kakaiba talaga ang sarsadong danggit at dried mango pizza with chorizo de Cebu.
Tawagin mo ang iyong mga anashi. Ito'y naman
Ito po.
ang very beautiful balaga ng Cebu.
Teka, Jordan, nanay, tara na nga dun sa
there you go.
Fish.
Nagawa so. Come on. Deeper. That gonna look like turn out. There we go. Oh, I told you, it's what is visible. And it also grab. It's turning black. What? What? Oh. And my plants too. They're all beautiful. I'm not gonna finish this. Oh, they'll come back. There you go. And there you go. It can work so hard a second. Close your eyes. The 13 seconds. And this is people. And ako punas myself. And I'm wearing people. At the use those. At the use those. We are stupid. Joke lang. It's a fake. Wait, another bottle. Tingnan tayo. It look like a Minecraft. Stupid. Let's see it the one. Another thing I can see it. Three. And I see two. Open. Why? They're changing. What? I think go subscribe the people. Hey, go don't say what the fuck is a bad word. can say hi. And then they could. And they use scrub the people way. Woo!